Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Nubia Red Magic 7. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. Here find the files that you want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Select each file that you want to pack. Click on this plus button, and here change any archiving options. So the very basic ones are the name. You can also set up the password, change the extension for the files, and as I mentioned, there's a lot of options. So to make a simple one, just add a password. Now let's click OK, and that way we'll pack a camera.rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.